Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. Let's dive right in. It's been kind of a sloppy week this week, and these are always tricky when you've been, ready for momentum. And when it switches from momentum to sideways, if you're still playing it on a momentum basis, it's really easy to get kicked into the teeth. The secret for this kind of a market right here is you got to focus more on selling premium. You got to focus more on that fact that it's a sideways market. Tesla's a good example of that. We're not going to see it go, do a lot of like run multiple days in a row. We're going to see spurts, and you got to play the spurts and get out. Okay, and I'll talk about that more in the premium video on that. But there's some good moves setting up in Tesla. They're just not ones you want to stay in for more than like 45 minutes. So the cues here, of course, we're going into FOMC, we're going to end of the month, we're going into Amazon earnings. We got a lot coming up here. I'm expecting at this point, still buy any dips. We do have a new Squeeze Pro setting up. Of course, I'm going to be watching this to see if there's any dangers that it's going to fire short because the trend is your friend until it ends. But we are at kind of those inflection points here. We got to be. It's not as no brainer of a time to just buy the dip. Okay. In terms of some stocks here that I like that are doing their own thing, CODX is one here. Definitely speculative, so this isn't for the faint of heart. This was a stock that not too long ago was trading, at 50 cents. Then it spiked up and came back, and then spiked up again and came back. And the question is, with this weekly squeeze just firing long, and the daily squeeze here, are we going to spike up yet one more time? So again, it's more of a speculative play, but I kind of like that in this kind of a market as well. It's not something you have to worry about the day-to-day fluctuations so much. And then from there, of course, all eyes on GLD. You've got some big moves happening here. If we look at a monthly chart, we can kind of see where we are now compared to where we have been in the past. And you'll see that this is significantly a big move, and we're right at the high here. So I do think that we're going to see this week probably right into the FOMC meeting, but we should at least break through this and get a run. I don't know if we're going to kiss 200 or not, but then of course keep in mind we're extended here. So we're locked and loaded in gold in the gold room and the small lot accounts, and we're going to be looking at exits, of course, and watching this break. All right, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.